Hello, my name is Amber and this is Nassau English School London, English in 5. This is our new video series which is all about learning English in a quick and efficient way. So today's class is on the topic of so much, so many, too much and too many. Okay, so much, so many, too much and too many. We're first going to look at the difference between much and many, and then we will look at so and too. Okay, so much versus many. This is to do with our countable and uncountable nouns. So a countable noun is something that we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can be singular or plural. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples with the plural s. We can use the article a or an with countable nouns. An apple, a cat, for example. And the examples of countable nouns I have are apples, cats, and people. Okay. And we use many with countable nouns. Okay, many just means a large number. So that's the first one. The second one then is uncountable nouns. Okay, so these are the opposite. They cannot be counted. Okay, it's not possible to count them. And they are often abstract ideas, things that are very small or, as I said, can't be counted. They also can't be plural, so you cannot have the s. The examples here are money, okay, rice, and love. Money we cannot count. We do not say 1 money, 2 money, 3 monies. We don't say this. Yes, you can say €2, $3, but not the noun money. Rice is too small, okay, to count. We cannot do 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. It's too small. And love is abstract. It's an abstract idea. So these are uncountable nouns. And we use much with uncountable nouns. Again, this just means a large amount. Okay, so to recap, much is with uncountable nouns and many is with countable nouns. If you need some more help with this, if you're not sure you understand the difference between countable and uncountable, there is a video on the Nassau IGTV, which Nick did, one of the other teachers, which is great. Go have a look at it if you need some more information about this. But moving on, we're going to look then at to and so. To and so. The first we're going to look at is too much or too many. Okay, and we use this when we have more than is needed to talk about something that is excessive or more than is needed, and it has a slight negative tone. Okay, we have some examples. So £100, that's too much. I can't afford it. Okay, this means that the item we are looking at, £100, is too much. This is more than you want to spend. Okay, the second, the restaurant was very busy. There were too many people. Okay, there are lots of people. There are more people than you want. You would prefer there to be less people. Okay, an excessive amount, more than you want. Okay, so you can hear there is a negative tone to this. Secondly then, we had so much or so money. This is used to emphasize a point and it's used like a lot. Okay, and this is neutral in tone, it's not negative. The examples I have for you, I have so many trainers, I love buying new shoes. Okay, and I love you so much. This just means a lot. And it's not a negative thing. For the first example, it's okay, we have lots of trainers, we're happy with this, so we can say so many, and a neutral tone. Okay, so let's have a look then at 2 common mistakes that students normally say or use. So the first example, this is a mistake, we shouldn't say this. The party was amazing, but there were too many people. This is a mistake. What you mean is there are so many people. Okay, too many means that you didn't like that it was busy. You didn't like there were lots of people. So many is just to say there were lots of people. Okay, the second mistake that people say a lot is I love you too much. Okay, don't say this. You want to say I love you so much. If you say I love you too much, this sounds negative. It sounds that you want to love someone less, that you're not happy about how much love you have for them. So that is the lesson for today. What I have for you now is a short quiz. There are 3 questions here with a blank. What I would like you to do is tell me if it is so much, so many, too much, or too many. So you have 4 different options. So much, so many, too much, or too many. Okay. I recommend pausing the video here if you need more time, but I'll read them for you. So you have, I am very busy. I have blank, homework to do. Number 2, some people have blank, money. They are very lucky. And number 3, my sister watches blank TV. I can't watch what I want. Okay, so pause here. Is it so much, so many, too much, or too many? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds and then we will have a look at the answers. Okay, so the answers are here in front of you. Number 1, I'm very busy. I have so much or too much homework to do. You can have either so much or too much. Okay, if it's so much, you are just telling someone there is a lot of homework. If you say too much, this is negative. You're not happy about having lots of homework. Number 2, some people have so much money. They are very lucky. Okay, lucky is a positive comment, so we would use so much because this is a neutral expression. And number 3, my sister watches too much TV. I can never watch what I want to watch. Okay, it's too much. We think it is excessive. We think they should watch less TV. We are not happy about this, so we use too much because it has that negative tone to it. Okay guys, that is today's class. That was hopefully less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will save this to the IGTV so you can watch it again and save it. Have a fantastic weekend and I will see you next week. Goodbye.